So here, gradually, the water will move from the cortex and then eventually enter the xylem by the process of diffusion. And then don't forget, other water molecules also seep through the intermolecular spaces or intercellular spaces and then eventually enter the pits and get into the xylem. Now, once water is in the xylem, the leaf loses water through evaporation. Okay, so water evaporates from the leaf and then it creates a kind of suction. Now, the suction is created because the pressure at the top here is lower than the pressure at the bottom. Now, because the pressure will need to be balanced, water will have to rush from the bottom to the top. So therefore, there is some sort of sucking force or pulling force from the top, pulling the water from the bottom. So more water moves into the leaf from the xylem as the pressure at the top is lower than the pressure at the bottom. And this will create a transpiration stream. We're going to talk about a transpiration stream when we get to transpiration. Okay. Now the roots also produce a pressure. Now the pressure of the roots is only going to end at a point. So root pressure cannot force water up very high trees, but it is this sucking force that forces water up the high trees. So water moves from the xylem vessels into the leaf tissues by osmosis. Once the water gets into the leaf tissues, or once the water gets into the vascular bundles in the leaf, the molecules will leave the vascular bundles by the same process in which the water molecules enter the roots, which is osmosis.